Having the right tool, it saves you time, it simplifies your workflow, and it helps you stand out to customers who need what you offer. Today, we're going to dig into three powerful sections of your marketing OS that's built on high level sites, media, and memberships. My name is David. I'm the founder of Better Story Marketing, and I'm here to help you make the most of your new BrandPack. You've already taken an incredible step towards simplifying your marketing, and now it's time to show you how easy it can be to launch and grow your business with these tools that we've put together for you. All right, let's jump in. All right, let's talk websites. Your marketing OS gives you professional, done-for-you website templates that help you stand out. Each of them are customized to the specific industry, like this is a handyman website. Here we got one for a doula or a business coach. Lots of different options in here. And here's the nice game changer. All of these websites, not only are they done for you and customizable so that you can make them your own, but you don't actually have to do much work. They are tied into all the other elements in your marketing OS, all the forms, the landing pages, even lead generators like this one here on the Life Coach site. They all connect to your marketing OS. It connects to your automations, your CRM. So connecting new leads, easy. Selling online products or services, done. You don't have to jump between multiple tools. That's really the power of the marketing OS and you're built on high level. And it makes all of this a breeze. You can go in, you can edit any of the pages in here. You can change the wording, change the colors, change the graphics, but you don't have to. They're all pretty much done for you. I'll walk through each of these in more detail and some of our how to customize your brand packs, and I'll walk through it specific to the website. Like this one is the handyman one. So this in the handyman brand pack customization video, I'll walk through how do you actually customize this website. So those will be more specific to the brand pack you're getting. But what I would recommend is, again, we start with the basics. We can build a much bigger, more complex site, but again, starting out, it's all about getting found, getting booked, and getting paid. So that's why we've started with beautiful but clear and simple sites. All right, let's take a brief stop at media storage. This one won't take too long because really, this is your media library here in high level. It keeps everything in one place, whether those are logos, photos, videos, other assets. And I recommend using different folders like this to help you organize what's in here. But now there's no more going and searching, be like, where are those images? They all kind of live in one place. So this just helps tame a little bit of that chaos that comes with entrepreneurship. All right, let's now move over to memberships. Memberships, those are exciting. So if you've ever wanted to offer a course, an online training, some exclusive content, or maybe even launch a community, you can do that in here. You can launch different courses. You can put those into specific offers. You can bundle courses together. You can create communities where people members can chat with one another, and it all fits again here in your platform. So this is tied in with your email sequences, with any products that you want to upsell to. All of it's in here. You can upload videos, you can add downloadable PDFs. This is a great way actually to provide training potentially, or just value add education to your customer base. Again though, start small, offer something simple, something that's high value, and build from there. You'll get feedback, it'll help you grow.